Hello, I'm Prithiv, and I've made a voting system. So in the LCD screen, the different leaders show up, and I can scroll through them using the A and B buttons. I can scroll backwards too. Now to add a vote to them, I click on the asterisk, and I'll just populate some data. Now, if I want the election to end, I click on the hashtag, and I have to enter the correct pin, which you can set on the code here. If I enter the wrong pin, it says incorrect. But when I enter the right pin, when I enter the right pin, 6579, it'll say election ended, show me the winner, and I can see each person and how many votes they got in ascending order. So Donald Trump got 5, Putin got 2, 1, 1, and 0. Thank you for watching. Bye.